Hello Seema. Children, you just observed different 3D shapes. You saw shapes like cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, and many more. Do you know that? We get to see such three-dimensional figures in our houses too. We can see several objects that resemble different three-dimensional figures. After watching this video, find such objects in your home that resemble the different three-dimensional figures you have learnt about and share their names with us. Let us now locate objects in the house that resemble different types of three-dimensional figures. This is a box which was in Seema's house. This is a silver-colored box. Before we start, let's revise the features of 3D shapes. We know that a 3D object has faces. Faces can be flat or curved. They also have edges. An edge is the part of a 3D shape where two faces meet. The edge that Seema is pointing to right now is the meeting point of the top and front faces. 3D shapes can also have vertices. So, when you look at a corner, it's actually the meeting point of the different edges. The meeting point of this edge and this edge is this vertex. So now that we know what 3D shapes are made of, let's take a look at some of the different types of 3D shapes, that is, three-dimensional figures. This is a small box that Seema has found in her house. Can you tell me what is the shape of this box? Yes, it is a cuboid. So now let's count the number of faces, edges and vertices in this cuboid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a cuboid has 6 faces. Now let's count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, a cuboid has 12 edges. And now we will count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the cuboid has 8 vertices. Let us now look at this figure which is next to the cuboid. It is a cube. A cube is almost the same as a cuboid. The only difference is that all the faces of the cuboid are rectangular, whereas all the faces of a cube are square. But yes, like a cuboid, a cube too has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now look at this figure. What is it? It's a ball of wool. I'm sure you would have a ball in your house too. So you tell me, what is its shape? Yes, it is a sphere. Seema, can you turn this ball around for us? Now look at this sphere carefully. How many faces does it have? If you look carefully, it has only one face, which is not a flat face. Rather, it is a curved face. And think, does a sphere have an edge? No, a sphere does not have an edge. And how about a vertex? We know that a vertex is a point where edges meet, or where the edges meet, the meeting point is a vertex. So, when a sphere doesn't have an edge, it won't have vertices either. Now, check this out. Yes, it is a bottle. You can easily find it in your home too. Can you think and name its shape? Yes, it is a cylinder. Now let's talk about the faces, edges and vertices of a cylinder. The cylinder has a large curved surface. It also has two flat surfaces. Each flat surface is circular in shape. Now let's talk about the edge. Can you count the number of edges in this cylinder? We know that an edge is where the faces meet. A curved surface that meets a flat surface. So, can you show us the first edge? Alright, this is our first edge, where the curved face meets the circular face. And the lower edge? The lower edge is where the curved face meets the circular face at the bottom. So, this is the lower edge. Hence, the cylinder has two edges. Now tell me, how many vertices does it have? You can see that the two edges of the cylinder do not meet each other. You know that a vertex is a point where the edges meet. And since the edges of the cylinder do not meet, it does not have vertices. Now you must identify different objects in your house with similar 3D shapes and name them. Thank you, Seema, for helping us to understand the 3D shapes so well using different objects in our house. See you again. Bye-bye.